Which ratio is greater, 3:4 or 5:7? Basically, we need to compare both the given ratio and identify which ratio is greater. Here, the first ratio is 3:4, or we can write it as 3/4, and the second ratio is 5:7, or we can write it as 5/7. We need to compare. And why am I drawing this box? Because we need to find out whether this ratio is greater or this ratio is greater. This box to insert the symbol less than or greater than. But to compare, I need to have my denominator the same, correct? But here I have different denominators. So basically, we need to find the LCM of 4 and 7. So LCM of 4 and 7 is equal to 28. Let's do it in the rough column. 2 2s are 4, 7, 2 1s are 2, 7, 7, 1 time 1. So what is my LCM? 7 into 2 into 2. 7 into 2 into 2. So 14 into 2, which is 28. So now take the first fraction 3/4. 4 into 7 is equal to 28 and 3 into 7 is equal to 21. And let me calculate the second fraction. 5/7. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 and 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So we have 21/28 and 20/28. Now that the denominators are the same, we know that 21 is greater than 20. So we write 21/28 is greater than 20/28. 21/28, the corresponding fraction is 3/4. So 3/4 is greater than 5/7. Okay, but look at the question. Which ratio is greater, 3:4 or 5:7? So the final answer step, we need to ensure that we write it as per the question. So we have to write answer 3:4 is greater than the ratio 5:7. So basically, when they ask you to check which ratio is greater, we need to compare both the ratios. And how do you compare? You need to just take the LCM, ensure that both the denominators are the same, then compare their numerators. And the answer step, we have to write it as the given ratio 3:4 is greater than 5:7. Moving on to the next sum. Which ratio is greater, 11:21 or 19:28? Similar to the sum that we just solved. So 11:21 can be written as 11/21, and 19:28 can be written as 19/28. So what's the LCM of 21 and 28? Let's calculate LCM of 21 and 28. So 21, 28. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 3 1s are 3, 4, 2 1s are and 2, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 1 comma 1. So the LCM is equal to 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So LCM is equal to 84. Now let's take the first fraction. 11/21 into 4 times gives you 84, and 11 times 4 gives you 44. And the second one, 19/28. 28 3 times gives you 84, and 19 3 times gives you 57. Now the question is which ratio is greater. So we need to write the greater value first. So what do we write? 57/84 is greater than 44/84. And what is the fraction related to 57/84? That is 19/28 is greater than 11/21. But I told you, even in the previous sum, the answer step has to be based on the question. Which ratio is greater? 19:28 is greater than 11:21.